नायब वज़ीर आज़म इशाक़ डार इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
First time I had the responsibility being foreign minister. The bazaar provides a great opportunity to the people of Islamabad and Rawalpindi to visit the Foreign Office, have a glimpse of the rich culture of other countries through their food and handicrafts, and help in charitable causes being persuaded by PAFA. Today's bazaar is a captivating blend of diverse cultures and variety of experiences, fostering harmony and fraternity among different nations. I can see many of my colleague friends from the diplomatic corps, high commissioners, ambassadors, their families. It's a great event and a great experience for me as well, first time as Foreign Minister of Pakistan. I want to pay my special compliments to the diplomatic community resident in Islamabad for their active and colorful participation in today's events. And I think most of us have a round, and it was wonderful to see that every country has done great demonstration of the culture in their country, the food, and the different other articles, which is a unique experience for anyone to be visiting such bazaar. Ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, without your participation, this event would not have been as successful and remarkable as it is being observed today. From in-kind support to donations to putting up the stalls showcasing local traditional outfits, apparel, artifacts, and many different delights, it is a collective display of diversity and inclusion at the same time, for which I, as well as PAFA, are extremely grateful to the diplomatic missions in Islamabad and their contributions in this colorful morning. Your support in the endeavor is truly commendable. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you all appreciate that one of the aims of this charity bazaar is to promote a better understanding of the social, cultural, and economic life of Pakistan. Toward this end, PAFA also arranges various events such as exhibitions, cultural shows, and social meetings. I just observed on this, board, when I joined in March this ministry, I announced that from today the conventional diplomacy is over, and I announced that it's going to be economic diplomacy from today. But now I see cultural diplomacy. So I think I probably have to own this cultural diplomacy as well, and to support my colleagues' spouses and in building and doing this excellent work they are doing, not only for Foreign Office, but also for the entire Pakistan. So thank you, PAFA, their leadership, their executive committee members. I think they deserve a big applause. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, and dear children, the theme for today's event is again very interesting. Joining hands, joining hearts. It's a beautiful theme, and it's very apt under the current challenges which the whole globe is suffering. We saw yesterday Malaysia had devastating floods, and we spoke to the Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia. We contacted the Foreign Minister of Malaysia. His Excellency, the High Commissioner, is there. There's about 140,000 effectees were there as of yesterday. This morning, I get disturbing news, disruptions in Syria, for example. So you see, in these challenging times, in these challenging words, we all need to sit together and try also to create an opportunity where the blend of friendship, the blend of brotherhood, the blend of love, the blend of affection can be promoted. And this event, I'm sure, is contributing a lot towards that direction. We all at the Foreign Office strive to bring nations together, whether through our work in the realm of foreign policy or through the social welfare being carried out about by our dedicated spouses of ladies and POFA. Ladies and gentlemen, it is primarily responsibility of a diplomat to safeguard the interest of his or her country. But in many ways, their output and performance is aided by their spouses who are also the unpaid ambassadors of their countries wherever they are posted. So it is not easy to move from place to place and country to country after every 3 years just because they have to serve their country. Today, I avail this opportunity to compliment them all for their sacrifices in the time, in the line of duty. And I think, as I said, we saw that the spouses, as I said, they are undeclared ambassadors. While even today, many high commissioners, many honorable ambassadors, excellencies here, they are here with their spouses. So this is the national and the I would say global duty they are performing to bring the whole countries of friendly countries together. Excellencies, at the headquarters, Pakistan Foreign Office Women Association carry out excellent charity work throughout the year, and I happen to be one of the participants after I joined the Foreign Office earlier in the last few months. Whether at events like today, in the spotlight of the public gaze or behind the scene, they are doing a wonderful job, and I commend their contribution. I can now see former Secretary Cyrus from a distance, and it's a great pleasure to have him here because we had that event with him as the Secretary of Foreign Office. I'm sure you are all fully aware of the extent of philanthropic work and the activities which POFA is doing. They are giving scholarships to the needies. They are helping those students who need these patronage. So I think they are doing a wonderful job. Apart from this activity, which is a great activity, I think that I'm sure will earn them, inshallah, a big reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I also appreciate our missions abroad for their contributions to make this bazaar a success. Equally important, our sponsors also deserve our special appreciation. Their generosity has kept our charity activities alive and dynamic. Let me also extend appreciation and gratitude to the contributions and support provided by the Foreign Office administration in making arrangement for the annual event which is being held today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to end by saying that every little contribution towards charitable way really counts a lot. And this is why God Almighty has said in the Holy Book that if you spend a dime, you can have the reward maybe 10 times and maybe up to 700 times. So this is written in the Holy Book, and this is the spirit. This is the what they say, but there's a adaya, innamal amalu binniyah. So it is the spirit and the affection and the sincerity with which you contribute. Even a dime can get you 700 times reward from God Almighty. So I think we all know that all this effort is a combined effort. I wish all the participants today and the organizers, the guests who are here, a wonderful day. Enjoy the rich culture, offerings, and the delights, which I was amazed to see what a variety. I think even if you test a little bit, you wouldn't need the dinner tonight. So, this is a huge contribution. And in my opinion, I think I'm not going to suggest because it may become binding. Maybe these events should be more frequent, not once a year, maybe twice a year, maybe middle of the year and end of the year, something like this. Because this brings the missions together, the countries together, the brotherly friends together. And I think I haven't had such couple of hours, a wonderful time in the last 8 months since I assumed the office of the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Office, which I had enjoyed today. So believe me, please consider if you can have more similar events organized, and I'm sure we will have more opportunity, inshallah, to get together. I would suggest that you take home with you these souvenirs as a harmony, a little bit from every part of the global community which is being represented here, and play your part to make a difference. Because as the Honorable Vice President, Mrs. Waraich, explained, this is all going to go to charity and to help the deserving and the poor. And I'm humbled to make a little announcement that I will also be sending, like last time, a small token of my personal contribution towards this charity work which they are carrying. And I wish all of you a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself. God bless you all. And may Allah bring, the peace, prosperity, and development in the community of nations, and remove all the challenges which the Muslim Ummah particularly is facing currently. Thank you very much. God bless you. Pakistan, Paindabad.
नायब वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इशाक़ डार का तकरीब से ख़िताब कहा कि चैरिटी बाज़ार का मकसद पिछे हुए तबक़ात की फलाह में हिस्सा डालना है। ये बाज़ार लोगों को मुख्तलिफ़ सकाफ़तों को देखने का मौका फ़राहम करता है। हर मुल्क की सकाफ़त एक मुख्तलिफ़ पहचान रखती है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।